Good afternoon. I am out here in beautiful Verrado, getting ready to show you a $490,000 single-story home. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a flex/den area, built in 2023. Square footage is 2,099. This one right here sits on a 6,000 square foot lot. Taxes are $29.80. HOA is $138 a month. That HOA will include walk-in paths, children's playground, clubhouse, rec room, community tennis courts, community media room, community pool, spa, also golf course. They have pickleball and a workout facility. So lots to do out here in beautiful Verrado. And again, we're pretty close to Luke Air Force Base. So if you are relocating into Arizona, this could be a great option. You can see the neighbors. So you do have a 2-story next door. Still pretty private. You have a paver driveway. It is on an angle, just an FYI. All right, we're gonna head on in and check this beauty out. The outside is a brown tone. You do have that decorative window above. Again, that's just for aesthetics. A decorative dormer. It's pretty quiet out here, which is wonderful. All right, you have this wonderful, large, tall door. Your high school is Verrado High School. Junior high is Verrado Heritage, and elementary would be Litchfield Park. Sorry, Verrado Elementary in the Litchfield Park district. All right, let's go in and check out this amazing home. It is a split floor plan, which is nice. Super tall ceilings, nice tall doors. Everything's in great shape. So you have tile here on the floor. So all wet areas are definitely tile. And bedrooms are carpet. I would suggest a deep clean on this one. Just to get some of the grout cleaned up in different areas. It is a lived-in home right now. Smells pretty good. Blinds are in great shape. Not a lot of dirt there. The paint looks good, but again, they have all these different pictures hung up. So it may be something that we'd want to ask for if this is the home for you. Maybe get those holes filled in. The bedrooms are pretty good size. That looks like it's a full-size bed. And closet is typical closet size for the secondary bedrooms. The building on this one is Richmond America Homes. And again, the community is Verrado. This home is priced at $490,000. We have this linen closet right here. So lots of storage right there for those extra linens. And you have a full bathroom right here. So you have a single sink, but it looks like you have room if you want to add a second. Tub shower combo, which looks like it's in pretty decent shape. So again, the paint is very neutral. And this is a full bathroom, full bedroom up front. That is the front door. You do have a really good size foyer. I myself probably wouldn't have put those big pieces of furniture there. They would have felt a little bit more open. So it is a pretty good entryway. And it goes right into this larger den area. And as you can see, they have quite the setup. So this is how big this room is. They have a large comfy chair here. 3 desks, a fireplace. So it looks like a pretty cool hangout room. And again, if you want to turn this into another bedroom, you could add some French doors here, add a closet. It's a pretty good size area. And as we come down this way, we come into another area with another bedroom. Great size in here too, another full-size bed. Pretty similar to that front room in size. Could be a little bigger, but I'm not sure. I'll have to get you that floor plan, see if we can get the floor plan for this one. They don't have which model it is, so I'll check in with the sellers to see if they know. So they do have a laundry room right here. I'm going to stick my hand in. I'm just not sure if they have a dog. Well, they have the cat boxes right there. It's a pretty good size laundry room. Come back out here, and again, that's your den area. Front bedroom, front bathroom, entry. Another bedroom here, and then this is the closet, the garage. Sellers are also willing to sell this golf cart on a separate bill of sale. They do have an exit door and the hot water tank in here, which appears to be gas. And you have an exit door from the garage on this one. So it's a pretty good size garage. Again, you could epoxy these floors, but it has nice tall ceilings and it has a pretty good span in here. As you can see, they have a couple kayaks, lots of bikes, and plus they could definitely still fit a cart in here even with all this stuff. So I'll head back in. And this is a great area. I'm super excited to show you that slider. It's one of those corner ones that when you open it all up, you're basically outside. You have a great outdoor space, which is great. So head into the kitchen. So it has quartz countertops. This one has a white subway type backsplash. No slow close. No slow close on this, so maybe something you'd want to add on. Gas, another gas stove. So we're hitting a lot of gas stoves today. Again, we're in Litchfield Park, Arizona. If you have not already done so, please like, subscribe, give me a little love, share a comment. Constantly putting up some amazing deals out here in the valley. Write down if there's something you want to see, and I'll see what I can do. So this one right here, you have the dishwasher. It is on, it is working. I believe that's just a magnetic peel on. A pretty good countertop. And they have black handles, black faucet, which makes it pretty nice. It opens up to that family room right there. Outdoor living space and dining area. This home is leaving the refrigerator, just an FYI, but not the washer and dryer. So out here in Arizona, appliances that stay with a home would be microwave, stove, dishwasher. Things that typically have to be asked for or may not stay would be the refrigerator, washer and dryer. Sellers sometimes don't want to leave those items. Come over here into this living room. So they have a very large couch. So it's a great space and two big shelves. They have a lot of furniture in this area, so you can kind of see how big it is. And again, this opens right up to the kitchen, dining, and outside. This home does have a feisty little cat that may want to get out. So I will open this, but have to close it very quickly so he doesn't escape. I'm gonna keep my eyes open as I do this for you. So it's super cool. Oh, there he is. Dun, dun, dun. All right, so this is the gist of it. Oh gosh, there's two. Oh gosh, there's two. Okay. Oh boy. It's about to get wild. Two cats. Cats make me nervous, guys. Hopefully they don't attack. All right. We're gonna go this way, and that was the Amazing doors. We definitely cannot open those. I don't know how many of these they have in the house, but that was a lot to handle. I would say the worst nightmare of any realtor would be to let anyone's animals out. Super scary. All right, so this one right here, carpets probably need to be stretched or replaced. At the threshold, it's pretty torn up. But the carpets themselves ain't in bad condition. Besides that messy threshold. Could have been from one of these little guys, possibly. And you do have a doorway that goes outside from the primary. This one does have the fancy coffered ceilings. They also, oh boys, feisty. A full-size bed. Well, hello, how are you? Okay, watch out. Oh dear God, baby Jesus. All right, just keep walking. Okay. Oh Lord, we have a feisty cat. I'm literally scared, so I want to go into the primary bedroom, but this guy is chasing me. I don't know if this is something that happens to everyone. I do want to show you that shower, but not gonna lie, a little scared. So it's not looking good. I almost made it over. I don't know if you've seen what just happened, but unbelievable. Okay, so I am now in the backyard. That's the view of the inside. Again, we are gonna just take a video from out here. The cats don't want me in their home, so I will wait till their mom and dad come home, and then I'll go back in and finish filming that inside for you. So again, this home is from 2023. You do have 2 AC units on the side. Lots of privacy and super quiet out here. So the back fence is super tall. This is that deep patio, so they have this great area here. And again, when you open up those side doors, everything would be opened up inside. Okay, and then we have this back patio area. And this is your view right here. So when you're on the patio, your neighbors can't see you and you can't see them, which is really great. So lots of privacy. And then you have this back patio section here. And again, this is kind of your view. That's your bedroom. And right here. So that right there could be a closet or above their master bed. I don't think anybody would be looking over there. All right, so this right here, you do have these tall walls. Back here, they got some plants. And again, super quiet. I know that you don't care much for the 2 stories, but I mean, this one's way over here. So it's set back away from the backyard. Great size lot. This one is at 6,000 square feet. So exterior is in pretty good shape. Here, they already have the rock done, the landscaping done. Okay, come back down this way. And this is where the garage door would be. And then the front gate to get out is right here. All right. We are back in. So this is the master bedroom. We caught the little guy. The homeowners came home and removed him. So now I'm able to show you this amazing bedroom. So it's great size. It has a amazing walk-in shower. So it is tiled. It has these windows, a bench seat right here, which is great. And it does have glass. So it's pretty enclosed. Double sinks with that quartz again. The walk-in closet is a great size. You do have that throne room right here. And the walk-in's big enough that they have a bureau in here. There is a lot of shelving. And again, because the ceilings are so tall, there's a good amount of space. All right, so if this is a home that you want more info on, please let me know. Another amazing day with Angela Dansereau here in Phoenix, Arizona. Actually, Litchfield Park. Super Bowl Sunday, baby. Living the dream. Got my cardio in for the day. If you need anything, always reach out.